All right, this is Michael. This is my 2002 Dodge Neon. And what happened was I went to hit the brakes. The pedal went down. Good thing that it was around 10:30 at night. And I'm in Alabama. In my town, there's barely any cars at that time. So the brake fluid, you can see right there on the cylinder. There's the rear cylinder. Boom, busted. That's the new one. Yeah, I had to take off work. Went on there's the Jeep. It has a flat tire. Everybody knows. Watch the video. What happened to me? That tire does not look too safe to be running on it. So I had to order a tire for that too. So let's go ahead and get to this right here on how to change this. This is easy. You're going to need that. There's bees everywhere now. 10 millimeter. Let me show you right here. Look at all the brake fluid. You see it? Okay, this right here, you see? This for 10 millimeter right here. That's your power line right here. It's the brake line. It's real hot, okay? It's like 100 degrees. And I'm under this car right now. So, yeah, you just turn it. And it has two little screws right here. You see it right there? That's what holds this in place. You can see right there. That's where they go. This goes like this. Just like that. Now you're saying, well, Michael, tell us how we're going to change this. If you need to change this, you might as well change your drums. I got the drum sets here too. Okay? And I know it's not easy. It's the same system as the Jeep. The same. I have a video that shows you, but it's the same. Okay, my camera is broken, so I had to use this. Let me see. Let me show you guys. This right here, once you turn it, when you turn it, this is going to pop out. You see it? That's what's holding this in place right there. This right here is for you to adjust it. You're going to need to buy one of these. This, I'll show you right here. You see this little rubber seal right here? You take it. That's how you clack, 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 clack. It gets to this right here. And that's how you adjust it. When you're braking, as the brakes go way, that is hot, that starts tightening it up by itself. Yeah. Right here you got another spring right here. You see it? You take it out. You have another one right here. You got to unhook all these springs. You got to unhook that spring. You got to unhook the spring down here on the bottom. You see it? You gotta unhook that. And then once you unhook these right here, these are more easier to unhook. This spring right here will be more easier to unhook. Look at that. Oh, it's so dirty. Let me tell you something. The best thing you do is you take a picture. Take a lot of pictures. Because if you never done this job, you're gonna need lots of pictures to put it back. Or you can take it to a mechanic and they charge you $300 to change just your brake. What is these called? That's how hot it is. Pads. Brake pads. Okay? And then right there they're going to charge you another $100 just to take two screws, and change it. So you're looking at like around between $400 and $500. Have both wheels done. So yeah, it is hot. I'm mad because I was about to go work and I saw the tire was not too good, and I had to call in. And I don't like that. I don't like calling in. So, all right, well, this is Michael. Subscribe, and I already told you what you need to do. Okay, my camera's broken. I'm recording this on my phone just to give you, you know, a vision of how easy it is to do. Anybody can do this. All right, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video. This is Miguel.